Hello guys, this we are making a video again. This is our video. You guys have seen our video many times. So I have made this ship. This is paper. This thing. Little bit cardboard because it's hard also. In the back I have a helicopter. It always comes out. Only this piece will come out always. And then this is the area where the people drive it. And this is the first shooter. These are the second shooters. And if for shooting they have a place to stand here and shoot it. And then in the back also they have two more shooters. And they have windows also as well. And they have the chimney also where all that smoke comes out. And the name is D97 something. And it even has an anchor as well. As shown, it has an anchor. And this thing shows the level. If you put a weight so much on this level, if it comes to the most level, that means it can sink at any time because the weight on the ship is too much. It can sink easily. And though I have another ship, I'll show you. And this is what it is. It is HMS Norfolk. And this also has a helicopter in the back, but this one doesn't fall out because it's so tight. And as also they have over here some 3, but extras also given over here. Even in the back over here. And then here is where they drive. They have some windows so they can see wherever they are going. So you want to see it?
So these are 3D cardboard puzzles which Reuben has made. A couple of ships.
But only 2 I made, not couple. Actually.
Couple is 2, Babu.
But after that I'm going to make it even more. I'll double the population.
Okay.
Doesn't it look nice? But actually this does look like a warship, but this doesn't look like a warship, but it's a warship. They both are not same because, as I said, this looks like a warship and this doesn't. And then the height also, the height, this ship's height is taller than the others. And then the length also is taller than this.
Okay.
As both of them are helicopters.
See, these are warships.
Yeah, and these are warships.
What else you have?
And though I have this Star Wars thing, this Star Wars helps this one. Star Wars lives in this. And then this small boat, survival boat, and the ship is sinking. The people will go on this boat, then they can survive. But it only has 2 areas to sit. But this one has a little space, so man can stand there. And this is our ships that we have made. And thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe. and write a comment about this video as well.